Imagine cutting-edge AI technology and remarkable professional features packed into a unique pocket-sized drone. Introducing Mark, the world's first drone positioned by visual inertial odometry. Constituted of a fisheye camera and a GPU-based mapping module, the VIO helps Mark locate itself based on position relative to its surrounding, realizing true autonomous flying. Mark sees the environment around it to allow for easy control and seamless flying, whether you're outdoors or in. It also records the trajectory wherever it flies, whether through the app or by hand. Mark can follow recorded trajectory to fly automatically. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon platform, providing all the power of a bigger drone with all the convenience of a smaller package. And it's so small, it can fold into a pocket or purse. Mark is easy to operate straight out of the box. No need for calibration or satellite connection. Mark is packed with unique features. It can track subjects automatically, take off and land with voice control, and take pictures with a single gesture. Using its amazing VIO technology, Mark will amp up all your adventures and capture all your most memorable moments entirely in 4K. High-grade Mark.
This is AirBlock, a one-of-a-kind, programmable, transformable drone and hovercraft. Think you've seen a drone like this? Think again. AirBlock is unlike any drone you've seen before. Start with individual magnetic pieces and 15 seconds later, you have a drone. Control the drone through the app via Bluetooth and take to the sky in no time. AirBlock is amazing, not just because it's entertaining, but also because it's educational. It teaches kids and big kids about coding and aerodynamics. Use pre-programmed maneuvers within the app. Just drag and drop into action. AirBlock caters to every type of drone pilot. Want to try your own moves? Program your own aerial stunts right in the app. Have some cool ideas of your own? AirBlock allows you to DIY so you can build your very own creation from scratch. With AirBlock, you're not just constrained to the air. Take to the land or sea by transforming your drone into a hovercraft and hover over smooth ground or even over water. Rookie killing your vibe and your drone? Totally fine. AirBlock is tough, so you can fly and bump into obstacles without fear. The engineered plastic foam makes AirBlock durable, so it's safe to fly indoors or out. Snap into action and keep flying. So who's behind this awesome product? We are. And who are we? MakeBlock. We've launched and shipped 4 products on Kickstarter and have grown from just 3 people to a team of 200 people today. We've got 400,000 users and still growing. In the past 4 years, we've established ourselves as the company that encourages STEM-based education through our DIY robotics and products. We're passionate about bringing DIY robotics and STEM-based programming and education to folks like you. We need your help to get AirBlock off the ground. So back to the point. You want a programmable, transformable, crashable drone? We'll make it easy for you. Back our Kickstarter campaign. And the best part? It's affordable. Because let's face it, everyone should have AirBlock. Support the cause and get your own. AirBlock. Code to fly.
I love exploring the world with my little companion. He watches me carefully, following my every command. He's always waiting for me to take him outside. He loves to travel with me. He's always curious to see what's around the next corner. And thanks to him, my travels make much more sense. Meet Turtle, my 4-wheeled friend.
And meet us. We're a team of both engineers and travelers. For some time, we thought about a solution that could help people just like us develop their passion of creating and let them easily share all the adventures with friends.
And that's how the idea of Turtle was born. Turtle is the world's first Earth rover, a remote-control open-source platform capable of working in harsh terrain. Turtle is the ideal travel companion, helping you to rediscover this beautiful planet in real time, allowing you to reach new and unseen places. With a design inspired by NASA, Turtle easily overcomes all-terrain obstacles. Made of strong aerospace-grade materials, Turtle drives slowly and steadily, making it a super stable and reliable mobile platform. Driving Turtle is just like playing a video game, but in real life. The only device you need to control the rover is your smartphone or tablet. If something strikes your eye, snap a picture, or record videos whenever you like. Then share them with your friends. One rover provides infinite possibilities. If you want to upgrade it, add more cameras or sensors, no problem. Thanks to Turtle's multiple waterproof slots and open source software, you can add whatever you want. To give you an example, we've included a robotic arm in the price of the rover kit exclusively for you, our Kickstarter family. Turtle can be used in both professional and personal scenarios. Inside the case, there's a special watertight compartment for your own electronics. Waterproof connectors and an upper mounting plate allow you to mount just about any type of equipment on your rover. Turtle is waterproof, easy to transport, and can be driven for up to 4 hours. All Turtle's features were designed with the greatest care by us, a group of people who like to create stuff. We made Turtle to be a reliable, open platform that you can adapt to your own needs. The only real limit is your imagination.
As Turtle team, we believe that everyone should be able to expand on their passion and experience wonderful adventures. After over a year of development, Turtle is almost ready, but we can only launch this product with your support. Join us and become a part of Turtle family. Are you ready to start an adventure?
We live on a planet that's 71% water, yet we've only explored 10% of it. We're about to change that. The Fathom 1 is an easy-to-use underwater drone that you control with your smartphone or tablet. We designed it to be the most affordable, most versatile underwater drone ever made. And after 2 full years of prototyping and development, we're finally ready to bring underwater exploration and education to the masses. I'm John.
I'm Matt. And I'm Danny. And we're a team of outdoor enthusiasts, scuba divers, engineers, and travelers that had an idea for an underwater drone that we could take anywhere and use in any environment. I grew up spending summers on Lake Louise in northern Michigan, where a lot of large logging operations took place in the 1800s. Jump forward 200 years, and now every cottage has artifacts and pieces of history on their walls that washed up on the beach. But there are still legends of horse-drawn sleds that fell through the ice and got stuck at the bottom, just waiting to be explored. I thought if I could control an aerial drone from a mobile app to explore from above, why couldn't I do the same thing from underwater? That's when Fathom was born.
Underwater remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, have been around for a while, but they're mainly large, expensive industrial devices tethered to big ships. And early consumer ROVs, inspired by their big brothers, cost well over $1,000 with no mobile app for piloting. And you need to be a pretty good hacker to put them together.
We knew we wanted an underwater drone that anyone could drop into any body of water and pilot easily using an app on their smart device. And it had to be small and light enough to carry around, meaning a completely new compact design. It had to come fully assembled out of the box, including an onboard 1080p HD camera and built-in high-intensity LED headlights for clear viewing. And it had to be as affordable as lower-cost flying drones with comparable equipment so that every modern-day explorer could have one. We built the Fathom 1 with all of those features, and thanks to custom components and a streamlined design, now you can have it for under $600. That's less than half the price of the closest competition.
Above all, we made the Fathom 1 super easy to use, but that doesn't mean it's limited. This thing is fully modular. Our patent-pending thruster attachment system allows you to easily remove all 3 thrusters for packing, but it also enables customization and upgrades to specialized thrusters, such as these ones with larger fins for stabilization. And we're hoping our backer community will create and share their own ideas for customization. Fathom 1 also features an integrated rail system that makes adding accessories like action cameras and additional lights or other sensors a breeze. Just slide it on, click it in, and you're ready to go.
We put everything that we have into making underwater exploration and education more accessible to the masses. We built the prototypes, validated our designs, and now ready to go into full-scale manufacturing. All that's left is for you, the Kickstarter community, to show us that you want an underwater drone that's affordable, portable, modular, and completely easy to use right out of the box. Fathom is your chance to go deep and see the world in an entirely new way. The possibilities are truly endless. What can you fathom?